Hey guys, my name is Fireki223 here, and today I'm going to be reviewing over the Xbox One wireless remote. I think it's called Afterglow, or AG9, and it is awesome. You got two modes, two distinct, oh my god, I can't say, distinct audio modes, removable and flexible noise, challenging mic. You read it all in the back. It is rechargeable, but as you can see, it lasts up to 16 hours, which is pretty cool. And we're gonna unbox this thing today. It's worth $100. I just got $100 because I graduated from school today. So, yes. Let's take the tape off. Let me get in a better cam. There we go. Okay. Take the tape off. Got the little flaps on the side. On the bottom here, where it says everything. Is there anything else? Be careful. Oh gosh. We got some more tape. No. No. Sorry guys if this takes a while. Don't worry, I got it. Oh my goodness. Okay, there you go. Got it off. And we got this side. Oh, this one's not too bad. Sorry guys, it's going to take this long, but as you know, I'm not going to restart this. I can't do that. I might just go and get scissors by now. Unless, here, give me a second, guys. I am so sorry. I have to do this. Let me just tell you, it's not going to be easy when you're opening this thing. Oh, jeez. Oh, did my elbow just hit that? No, it didn't. My elbow just hit the camera? Okay. There we go. Now. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's worth it. It's worth it all, guys. Oh, God. Here we go. Here is the headset. Okay. Here's the headset itself. We got a few other things like cables. I know it has a few cables, but that's just plugs enough. It plugs one, I think. I don't know what this is for, but oh, I know what this is for. I know. This is for because these are not just, as you can see, there's no mic. You got the mic right here. This is not just a mic. This is also a headset. Oh my goodness. See it? Now how do we turn it off? Oh geez. Guys, we really screwed up. Guys, we messed up. We gotta open this thing. Oh. Open it up. I never knew that it was the button to turn it on. Oh. Yes. My goodness, that's shiny. I saw shiny headphones like this when I had my Xbox 360. Look at that baby. Oh, my thing's falling off. Yeah, so it's on the right side of the headphones, unless you're holding it like this. and then it's the left side. Okay, that's how you turn them on and off. Chat game. This is the volume line, and got the charger. Okay, so this is the transmitter. So you just plug this into your Xbox and it's done. And this is the mics. So we're gonna unbox. And we're gonna take out the mic. Guessing the mic goes in here. Hey, and guys, I'm gonna break the mic. Ugh, broke it. Yeah. So these things are flexible too. No, don't turn on. So there you go. That's your mic, and then you just take the transmitter out. Get it out of its wrapper. Keep on saying box. There's the transmitter, and this is in a Ziploc bag. Oh God! And we're gonna unwrap these things. And I believe this is for your iPad and phone, because it does say in the box that it... Oh no, this is the charger. Okay. The other one. So what you do with this one is, there is where the headset is and everything. There should be right next to where it says line in, a little like one of these plugs. Here, it's in the camera. There it goes. One of these. You plug it in there. You plug it in, okay. You plug it in there, and then you just plug it into something, and then it charges up. Look at that tape on it. Get out of here. And then we got over here is the USB. So plug it into your phone. So there you go. And then it's right next to where the charger is. Lining. So there you go. There is your awesome headset. We have a mess here, but who cares? My room is messy no matter what. It's not too messy. But yeah, that is the AG9 or the, what is it? Afterglow? Afterglow. That's what it is. Also, by the way, I just needed to show you to this, guys. If you are a big Undertale fan. Oh, sorry. Oh, good. Thing just popped up on the screen. If you are an Undertale fan, do you see what that says? It's Sans. Sans the skeleton. Oh my God. I was like, what? And that stands for in Spanish with. But I'm guessing that might be a different language. I don't know. I'm kind of Spanish. My mom comes from Argentina. Anyways, stop talking about other stuff. Yeah, that's the headphone set. That only took, oh my goodness, 8 minutes. Okay, that was a pretty long time. But yeah, it is insane. I love this thing. Well, I've never tried it, but I don't care. I love it. It looks awesome. It's sick. I can't wait to test it out. And it's all charged. As you can see, we turned it on before, so I'm going to go play some Xbox right now. Bye. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that video, and I will be recording today as I recorded right now. But, I'm going to see how they fit. Putting them on. Nice. Nice. And it extends. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh, it got the top too. It got the top. It got everything. This is sweet. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. That's at 9 minutes. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. That was the unboxing video of the Afterglow. Oh my God, I keep on forgetting. The Afterglow. And as always, remember to slap that like button, not my outro yet. Remember to slap that like button and subscribe. And as always, peace out, guys. Bye. I can't kind of put a thumbs up. Bye.